South Mountain Window Cleaning and Power Washing is located in Phoenix, Arizona. We offer full service power washing of residential and commercial properties. Our process is very simple and effective. First, we lay down the proper soap on the flat surface to dwell and help break up any dirt and grime. After that, we use a surface cleaner to clean the surface with high pressure and hot water. As you see here, it does a great job. We can clean any type of surface from natural stone, tile, or concrete. At the end, we will rinse all of the soaps off of the surface, leaving it clean and shining. Your home will look wonderful. We also offer full service house washing to get all of the dust and dirt from our Arizona monsoons off of your house, restoring its beauty.